Hello, my friends. I'm not sure if I've got everything set up, but I want to play a little song for you in the woods right now. This is Adam Lowener on Think Me. I'm playing a Stuart Davis original song, so it's not my song, it's Stuart Davis's song. I think it's a lovely song. It's called Black Dot. Well, the angels shed all their black. Now they're bored and want it back. Things were bad before, now they're worse. So they've learned to pray in reverse, cursing the whiteout that blocked out the stains in the sky. Nothing to know, black dot in the snow, into the end, so black dot in the snow. You just stare into the snow till the point begins to grow, which is darker than the rest. And it wants inside your chest, slippery with oil, it watches you soil yourself. Nothing to know, black dot in the snow, into the end, so black dot in the snow. I'm another flake, a shimmering mistake in a field of crystal. Nowhere to go, black dot in the snow, into the end, so black dot in the snow. Nowhere to go, black dot in the snow, into the end, so black dot in the snow. Thank you, everybody. This has been Stuart Davis's Black Dot. Just wanted to share that lovely song with you. Namaste.